welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Boxycharm unboxing. This is the October 2021 box that I'm going to be unboxing. They did better this month than last month. I actually got it in the month of October. Today is October 27th. Still not a big fan of the fact that it was so late. It wasn't sent out this month, I think, till like October 7th or 9th or something. Like, it's being sent out very, very late. But yeah, I did get it. I got it today, so I'm gonna film this video and edit it and hopefully get it up in the next couple days before the end of October. Yeah, so the Boxycharm, I get the base box. I pay for it with my own money. They don't send it to me from PR or anything like that. I pay for it myself. It is $25 USD plus $5 USD shipping to Canada. I know it's free shipping in the States, I think, but it's $5 shipping extra to Canada, so it's $30 USD. It ends up being around $40 total Canadian, in Canadian currency, when it comes to, depending on exchange rates and stuff like that, and it usually takes 2 to 3 weeks to get to me. So this one took about a little over 2 weeks, about 2.5 weeks this one took. I don't like that they're sending them out late. It frustrates me. And hopefully November's is a little bit better and they send it out earlier, but I'm kind of losing faith in these boxes. But I feel like with Boxycharm towards the end of the year and the fall, they tend to just give up. And it seems like this box is one of those things too. So without further ado, let's unbox my Boxycharm base box. So here's what the box looks like. It's a really nicely made box, and that's what inside looks like. The theme of the month, every month they have a theme, is Spellbound, and it's like a little booklet this month just saying that you're getting, they opened a new like shop that you can buy from at discounts, which is great. You get 5 products, all full size, and you get to choose, with the base box, you get to choose one of your products. So without further ado, let's get into this box. So I'm going to start with the product that I chose, and I chose the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. It's got watermelon, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid in it. It's a highlighter. It says, achieve a magical, undeniable glow with this versatile instant skincare highlighter that illuminates skin under or over makeup. It helps you achieve an ultra-reflective complexion immediately and over time with antioxidant-rich watermelon brightening niacinamide and glitter or pearls. So that's what it looks like. It's actually a makeup product, which I didn't realize. I thought it was more skincare than makeup, but so that's what it looks like. It's a gel. It's a gel consistency there. It goes very liquidy very quickly. It smells like artificial watermelon. It smells like it's, you know, like it's very, a little goes a long way, holy moly, but it gives you that like glass skin look. Like I can see using this as maybe not even a primer, but like something to go underneath your foundation. Like if you want to like glowify a matte foundation or something. I love glowy skin, so this is like right up my alley. It smells awesome, and I think I would use this. It doesn't really have a tack to it, so I mean I wouldn't use it as like sticking your makeup to your face primer, but it would be nice to give use as a primer to give your face that little bit of a glow from within when you put your makeup on over top, to try it like that. But yeah, so that's the first product. I know that that product I think is worth more than the entire box. Almost. Well, yeah, it is. It is worth more than the entire box. This is $34 USD retail price, which ends up being like 45 or something. $45, $50 Canadian, depending on Sephora's price at the time, I guess. So, I mean, if it smells nice, I think it's a good product to get. And then there's 4 other products in here as well. So the next product I'm not excited about. It is from TYNT, or Tint, I guess is the name. It's the Lash and Brow Duo. Here's the deal. I don't do my brows. I never have. I never will. It's pretty. It's very hefty. And it's this double-sided mascara and brow gel. Yeah, mascara and brow gel. I don't want to open it because I don't want to use it yet. But yeah, so the one side is your brown brow gel and the other side is your mascara. I'm going to keep it because when I do get back into cosplaying, going to convention stuff, brow gel brown brow gel might be handy. I don't know though. I don't know if I'm going to use it, but it is a very hefty package. It's a very like luxurious feeling. Like it's got that matte texture to it. This one is $29 USD. So I don't do my brows, so I can only use really half of this product. So this whole box, I've got 4.5 products, as you do. The next product in here is from Julep Beauty. This is the double-sided wing stamp eyeliner. This intrigues me because I struggle with wing eyeliners. It comes in a tube. It's pink tube. But what it is you pull it off and well, wait, what? Oh, okay. All right. Here's the deal. It's a double-sided pen. One side is your standard black eyeliner. Ooh. That's very, very black. That's actually really nice black. And the other side is your wing stamps. So if you flip it, I guess if you flip it upside down, you get like both, you can get both wings out of it. So you just like stamp it on the edge of your eye and then use the other side to fill in the rest, or to fill in if you missed a spot, to fill in whatever you missed with the wing eyeliner, which is very handy. It is worth $22 USD, and apparently this is a new brand to Boxycharm. Great. So, I mean, I'm excited to use this. I'm excited to try it. That eyeliner is very, very black, and it looks like it dries down fairly quickly. Not super quickly, but it feels like it dries down pretty quickly. And at the end, I'm going to see about how easy it is to rub off. So we're going to let that dry a little bit and then come back to it. All right, so the fourth product in here is from Julep Beauty. This is makeup remover towelettes with pore refining witch hazel. I don't really use makeup remover towelettes because I like my oil-based cleanser. I like my double cleanse. But we renovated our bathroom a few weeks ago, and these things, like I had a package from an earlier Boxycharm of towelettes that worked amazingly because we had no sink for a weekend. So it was nice to be able to cleanse my face without having to worry about having water in the sink. So that's great. These are $20. Dear God. How many are in here? 60. Well, 60. So, I mean, most of these come with 30. So having 60 in the package is kind of nice. They do say makeup remover, but we'll see. I'll try. Well, I don't want to try one because I don't want to break the seal unless I'm going to use them every day, which I'm not yet. So, but $20 for 60 isn't a bad price. That's 20 USD. It ends up being about $25. I wouldn't pay that much because I don't use them. I'd rather get a cleansing oil or a cleansing balm. All right, so the last product in here is from Ace Beauty, or Ace Beauty. This is the Falling For You palette. It is worth $34.99 USD. I was really excited when I saw this in other people's videos doing these boxes. I was like, it's a really pretty palette. It's very similar to other like warm brown palettes I have, but it's also different. Because if you look at it, the colors in it they have the fall feel, but they're not that like standard warm brown, warm orange. They have like the bright orange there. They have like the bright red on the side there. Like it's a beautiful colors. They look beautiful. The glitters, they're pigmented. Holy moly. So, and let's do the dark one. So if you can see, that's them. And then one swipe swatches on my arm there. They're really nice swatches, actually. They seem very, very pigmented. The packaging is really cute. I'm excited to use it. It seems like a very fun, you know, moving into the fall winter season to keep your makeup very interesting, very fun without having to go right into the winter browns that quickly. So I'm really excited about that. All right, so that was everything that was in my Boxycharm. I think it was worth it for this and this kind of alone. I think I would pay $40 for the two of these by themselves. The winged liner pen thing, I'm very excited to try. I'm excited to see if it actually works, because if it does, fantastic, I'll take it. I'm gonna try and All right, so I just tried to rub that eyeliner off, and as you can see, once it dries, it does not really move, which is great because you always want that in an eyeliner. So it does not move. It flakes a tiny bit, but you really have to get in there, and it's kind of taking I think it's taking the primer off with it, or the highlighting drops with it, but it doesn't move at all. That's awesome. I'm very excited to use all of these. Well, everything except for the mascara. Mascara, I'm like, nah, but like I'm excited about. And the makeup removing wipes don't really matter to me. But that was it for my October 2021 Boxycharm. Let us know what you got in yours down below. I think I've seen like 3 or 4 different variations on it. And mine was different from all of them. So there's at least 5 variations out there. Let me know what you got in your box down below. And let me know what you are wanting to get coming up. I know the Sephora sale's up in a couple weeks. And let me know what you're looking to get from the Sephora sale. And if you have any video requests or anything, leave them down in the comment section down below. And if you like this video and want to see more content from me, don't forget to hit the little red subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you're notified every time I post a new video. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.